Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to add or connect a controller to your Nintendo Switch 2 console. For connecting the Pro Controller, what I'm going to use is the Joy-Cons to select the options on the screen. So what we want to do from our home screen is here at the bottom with our Joy-Con, go over and click A on where it says Controllers. Then from this menu, what we're going to do is go over to the Change Grip Order option. I'm going to click A on that. At this point, I'm going to take my Pro Controller and hold down the pairing button here at the top of the controller, holding it down until I get that light to flash back and forth just like that. And I can see once it's in pairing mode, it's going to hook up to my Nintendo Switch 2. I can see it's right there. So it says press L and R on the controller that I want to use. So I'm going to click L and R on this controller, and that will put it in the first controller spot. So then I can click A. Backing out to the home page, and I can now see that this is the controller that I'm using, and I can use it from there, and it is now the primary controller that is hooked up to my Nintendo Switch 2. So that's the process to adding a controller. Again, from the home screen of your Nintendo Switch 2, you just want to select the controller's icon, and then clicking A on the Change Grip Order, and then from here, put your controller into pairing mode that you want to connect up, and then once it's connected, just click L and R to select the controller that you want to use.